What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to check to see if you've had any refunds, returns with any of your low and no content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to create more royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, when it comes to refunds or returns for your books, you'll more than likely want to know how to see if you've actually had any. Well, it's pretty simple. They don't really give you much data for this, but there's a real simple way just to see if you've had any refunds. So what you want to do is come into your back office on KDP, come to reports, which is just here, and then come down to month to date. Now from here you want to change from ebook to paperback, obviously because you'll want to sell your low and no content books. And then if we scroll down, just scroll that down a little bit more, there we go. So here we can see units refunded. So if you click on that, you can see the little arrow moving up or down. This is going to show you if you've had any refunds on any of your books. Now let's just change that. So this month I've sold 451 units of this book. This one's really taken off at the minute. This is one of my kids' low content books. If you want to know how I create them, I do cover that within the LCB Vault. Then with this one, that's 267, 260, 193, 86, 19. So this month's going really well for me. But as you can see, if I click on here, I've actually had no books refunded. Now I do this every single month because I want to see if anyone has returned any of my books. And so far, I haven't even had one refund, none at all. Now if we go back here and change this to previous month, just there, we can do the same here as well. So I'm going to change that up to there. Sorry. And then this one sold 674, 248, 131, 88 and so on. And again, if we click on here, we can see no books have refunded. So in this whole year of me creating low and no content books, I haven't had one refund to date. And that absolutely amazes me. Now, I put that down to because the books are such a low price point. Most of my books are all under $10, so I don't think many people are going to return that anyway. And another reason is you know exactly what you're getting because you're buying the book because you like the design of it. So people see the design, that thumbnail over on Amazon, buy the book and they know exactly what they're going to get. But again, I'm still shocked that in this whole year of me publishing, I haven't had any returns whatsoever. Now, do you check your returns or your refunds? Do you keep to date with that just to see what's happening and if anyone's sending your books back? Leave a comment down letting me know. Or did you not even know that you could do that? Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.